You are being scammed. If you are watching this because you want to make money while you sleep, fire your boss, and sip coconuts on a beach while your bank account grows automatically, you are the prey. You aren't looking for financial freedom. You are looking for a handout. And the gurus selling you courses on dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or dividend investing, they are the only ones making passive income by selling you the dream of it. Here is the hard truth that hurts. Passive income does not exist for people with no money. If you are broke, chasing passive income is the fastest way to stay broke. You are playing a game rigged against you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you why the math of passive income is mathematically impossible for 99% of beginners, and what you should be doing instead if you actually want to get rich. Let's reframe the vocabulary. The crowd thinks passive income means little work, easy money. They think it's a magical button you press to decouple time from money. The wealthy know that true passive income is simply capital yield. It is money earning money. It is not you earning moan money. To have money earn money, you first need lots of money. The gurus have tricked you into confusing passive income with delayed active income. Writing a book, that's 500 hours of active work upfront. Building a YouTube channel, that's years of grinding for free. Real estate, that's a part-time job managing tenants and toilets. Stop looking for passive. Start looking for high leverage. Passive income is for preserving wealth. High leverage income is for creating wealth. You are trying to preserve wealth you haven't created yet. Let's look at the numbers. They are insulting to your current strategy. Let's say your passive income goal is a modest $5,000, month $60,000, year to quit your job. The dividend dream, true passive. The average safe dividend yield or real estate cap rate is around 4% to 5%. To generate $60,000 divided by year at a 5% yield, you need a portfolio worth $60,000 divided by 0.05 equals $1,200,000. Do you have $1.2 million lying around? If you are saving $500 a month, it will take you roughly 166 years to hit that principle without compound interest, or 40 plus years with decent market returns just to start earning that passive paycheck. The side hustle trap. You try dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Hours spent learning, building, 1,000 hours. Profit made $2,000. Hourly wage, $2 hour. You are not building freedom. You are working for less than minimum wage in a business you don't own, on a platform that can ban you tomorrow. Passive income is a game for people who already have the $1.2 million. If you don't, you shouldn't be playing this game. So, if passive income is a trap, what is the path? Phase 1, active income, the grind. Accept that you must trade time for money, but trade it at a higher rate. Learn a high-value skill, sales, coding, copywriting. Your goal here is cash flow, not freedom. Phase 2, high leverage, the scale. Once you have cash flow, use the 4 forms of leverage, Naval Ravikant's concept. 1, labor, people working for you. 2, capital, money working for you. 3, code, software working while you sleep. 4, media, content working while you sleep. Stop trying to buy a $50 dividend stock. Start building a piece of code or media. Don't buy the asset, build the asset. Phase 3, the exit true passive. Only after you have built a business or career that generates that $1.2 million in cash, then you dump it into boring 5% yield investments. You get rich actively. You stay rich passively. I can hear your brain fighting back. But my friend sells digital courses and makes $10K a month. That's passive. No, it is not. Ask your friend how many hours they spend on marketing. How much do they spend on ads? How often do they update the content? If they stop working, the sales stop. That is not passive income. That is a sales job with no base salary. But I don't have time to build a business. You are right, because you are too busy looking for shortcuts. You spend 2 hours a day watching how to get rich quick videos instead of spending 2 hours learning how to code or sell. You aren't busy. You are distracted. You are prioritizing the fantasy of wealth over the work of wealth. Here is the deal. The dream of passive income is a sedative. It keeps you docile. It keeps you dreaming about the finish line so you never have to run the race. Wake up. The only way out is through. Stop trying to find a way to make money doing nothing. Start trying to find a way to provide so much value that the market has to pay you. Close this tab. Look at your bank account. Calculate your freedom number. $1 2M. $2M. Then ask yourself, will my current passive income strategy get me there in this lifetime? If the answer is no, get back to work. Stop being a dreamer. Be a builder.